here. Pick your favorite driver. Who's got the best looking car out there? I think the 12 looks pretty good. Cool looking paint numbers on there. 151's got a dedication throwback. The 51 Beerman's got a nice looking car. The 718 looks like the Monster Energy. And then David Cooter Jr.'s 70 car looks pretty nice. Julie Heinrichs has really taken off to set the pace, but you got to wait for everybody, Julie. Okay, now you're good. Whoa, look out. What's going on here? I don't think it's going to work. Julie, you got to wait for everybody. You got to wait till you get into turns 3 and 4. See, I don't think Julie's ever sat on the pole before. So, Julie Henrichs taking off real fast in that 718 car. She's ready to go. All right. Let's see if they do it better this time. It's looking good so far. Okay. Here we go. Green flag, we're racing. Go, go, go. And it's going to be the 96 of Jimmy Hartman. Already looking to challenge Julie Henrichs right off the get-go. Julie Henrichs in the middle of a sandwich. Not anymore. Here comes the Beerman to go around her. Here comes the 151 of David Cavan. Here comes Greg Witt to pass her. Hang on to it, Julie Henrichs. And it's going to be the 70 of David Cooter Jr. off to the races in the early get-go of this race. David Cooter Jr., the 70 car to Machesney Park, Illinois, being trailed by the 96 of Jimmy Hartman. Jimmy Hartman is out of Chicago, Illinois. The yellow flag comes out as the 16 car of Zachary Hawkins spins out. All right. Looks like he just lost it there. First day jitters, maybe. That's a newer car. A lot of Pontiac Grand Prix out here. I see a Pontiac G6 out. Remember, race fans, if you want to do spectacular drags, head down to the pits at this time. Get signed up. We will be doing our spectacular drags following the Sportsman features, following the 6er B main race. I take that back. Lights on the car corner pace car are out for David Cooter Jr. As they're going to pick them up, here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. Well, he looked good, but everybody else looked very interesting around the back. So if you've ever wanted to race at the Rockford Speedway, this is the best division to do it. This is your entry-level division. Basically, you take a 6-cylinder car, knock the windows out, and go racing. Some of these cars even have radios that work. Oh, yeah, and you put a cool number on there, too. That's always interesting. Got to have a number. Some of these guys have more than one seat in the car, and some of them only have one. Right now, it's David Cooter Jr. off to the races. Can the Beerman catch him? Beerman was up racing at a different track last night. We'll see how he does here at Rockford for his season opener. Douglas Neiswanger and Julie Henrichs about made contact coming into 3 and 4. Neiswanger on the inside of Henrichs. We got a battle there in the back. Everybody else kind of single file. We got a lap car of Zachary Hawkins going down a lap as David Cooter Jr. is going to put a lap on. And it's Henrichs to try to pull away from Neiswanger. He's the only Ford on the track right now. I had one of those cars. That's a 97 Ford Taurus. So our leader coming around, white flag for David Cooter Jr. Then it's Beerman. Then it's David Cavan, followed by the 96 of Jimmy Hartman. Hartman battling Cavan. We got a battle for third. Who's it going to be? Oh, who's going to be the got a battle for third? It's going to be Cooter to win. Beerman for second. It's going to be Hartman for third. Cavan takes fourth. All the way from Chicago. You know, they got a lot of construction in that city. I don't envy anybody having to drive there every day. Whew. All right. So now, here comes our winner. In that cool-looking 70 Grand Prix, a Bartman Racing Engines car. Bartman built race cars. Let me say that right here. As he's going to get out of the car, make some noise, Rockford Speedway. It's David Cooter Jr.